To OC TRANSPO is scrambling to keep buses on the road, forcing riders to deal with frequent bus cancellations. Now officials say everything is on the table to keep passengers moving, including sending buses out of town for repairs and looking at buying used vehicles. CTV's Josh Morano joins us now in studio with what riders can expect on this.
Yeah, Patricia, OC TRANSPO says bus availability remains tight with hundreds of trips canceled each week. Now the Transit Authority is considering some unconventional options to deal with ongoing maintenance issues and fleet shortages. For Jacqueline Stesko, bus cancellations continue to frustrate her.
It feels like it should be an easy thing to do to get from Alta Vista or Ottawa South to downtown core and back every day. It is not.
Stesko takes the number 6 bus often, but she says she's been left standing in the cold numerous times, waiting for a bus that never arrives.
It can be really challenging to just stand and wait for an unknown amount of time for whenever the bus decides to show up. And when they do show up, they can be really busy because they have been backed up.
She's not alone. During the week of January 4th, Route 6 had the most trip cancellations, with just over 11% of trips scrapped, followed by Route 7 at just over 12%, two of the busier routes for downtown traffic.
The 7 is a lot worse from last year, but that's for a lot of them, and the app is not reliable either, so it's hard to actually get on time.
We've seen that with the 11, we've seen that with the 14. Both of those are really important crosstown routes, and people are upset that such an important crosstown route is one of the ones that is most frequently canceled.
New data released Friday shows 5% of scheduled bus trips have been canceled, often due to mechanical issues or not enough buses available.
We're doing everything and everything that we can to get our fleet levels back to where we want on the bus side of things.
To address the shortage, the transit service is now looking to buy used buses and sending more buses outside the city for repairs.
We're at the early stages of that. We've only sent one bus so far. We want to see what their performance is, and should they produce good results, we'd be looking at sending more buses on a regular basis to them.
For Stesko, she says all riders are asking for is simple, a transit system that works when they need it to.
A perfect world is that we have a reliable transportation system that gets people to where they want to and need to go to manage their lives, and that we are able to rely less on car transport overall.
As mentioned, the city is also looking to acquire additional used buses to bolster the fleet while waiting for the delayed delivery of zero-emission buses. There are currently 41 electric buses available for service. Patricia.
CTV's Josh Morano live for us tonight. Thank you.